You know what I like more than wood? Golden nuggets. Pile it up. Get ready for winter. Pile it up. It's just as good as money. Keeps you warm. Warm and cozy. Gotta do it again. So, do-rags belong on your head, not covering your beautiful face. Anyways, I'm out here in the outdoors. They would say, I'm out here in my shed with my wood. Here in my woodshed. Just bought this new pile of wood. You know what I like more than wood? I got this big pile to put away today. Look at that. Woo! Norm did most of this, my landlord. So it's my turn to do a little contribution because everybody needs a helping hand. But the great thing about online business is while I'm doing my work play on the farm,
here in my garage,
here in my woodshed, just bought this new pile of wood. And you know what I like more than wood? Here in my woodshed, I just bought myself this new pile of wood. And you know what I like more about wood? Gotta do it again. My business is generating income and speaking for me when I'm not even there in my absence. So that is another reason to start building a bunch of pages, because while you're busy building other things and doing other things in the world, it's still up there running for you and being there for people to take a look at, even when you're not around. And you can even set up talking things that will reply to frequently asked questions. It's a beautiful day out here. Look at that big pile, still yet to cut and more to come. This is such a beautiful place on this farm. I've loved living here for the last 10 years. And this is the first summer that I've been able to experience a little bit of it, even though I've been working really hard every day. Learning and creating, and it's time to get outside, as Shona had said, and get some sun. Even though I'm going to be in this shed, I will go out and get a little bit of sun and start sitting up on that deck up there that I keep forgetting to use because my mind's in 100 places. Here in my woodshed, just bought this new pile of wood. You know what I like more than wood? Anyways, so add some more to this video as I whittle this pile away. Woo, that's a lot. I wonder how far I'm going to get today. Here in my woodshed, just bought myself this new pile of wood. You know what I like more than wood? Just bought myself. You know what I like more than wood? You know what I like more than wood? Here in my woodshed, just bought myself this new pile of wood. You know what I like more than wood? You need to do a little bit of everything every day, and then it's not hard on you. So if you don't put things off to the last minute, you can really get a lot accomplished. Now I'm going to go in and have a little lie down. I got half the pile done. I think I did that in 20 minutes or so, but my back's feeling it. I'm not the way I used to be, that's for sure. So I can go in and have a little rest, work on some pages, and then come out when the air is cooler. It's really nice in the shed because it's shaded, but it's pretty warm out here today. It's warmer now that I've worked up a sweat. So right now I have a video uploading, so that's the beauty. You make a video, you upload it. While it's uploading, you can go take care of other business, and you're always taking care of your own business, and everything keeps working for you. It's really a beautiful system, and yeah, and when you get bigger, you can add some people to your system to help you, and you can apprentice them and teach them how to be masters of their own life, and teaching them every day how to be self-sufficient, independent, and how to grow and be happy when they leave you. This is what my owl used to do. Sometimes he'd give them the shittiest jobs just to encourage them to go out and do their own business. At first I was like, how could you do that to them? He goes, I want them to hate it so they go out and build their own business.
The more you learn, the more you earn.
And I admire that. And he would always tell them, look, you could be doing this yourself. And he was right. And some of his staff has turned out to have some really successful businesses. And I've taken his advice, and I'm starting to put all the knowledge and years of reading and training. You know, you can only be a student for so long, and then you have to take the reins in your own hands and start building your own business or farm or homestead or whatever it is. Here in my woodshed, I bought myself new power. You know what I like about wood? I like more than wood. Bought myself. You know what I like new power wood? You know what I like more than wood? Here in my woodshed, just bought myself new power wood. You know what I like more than wood? Yeah. So today's a beautiful day on the farm, and this isn't my farm, but I'm getting practice to run my own place, and the rent's really affordable here, and we help each other, and it's like a community. So anyways, you have a beautiful day, and keep moving, keep pushing yourself every day to be better and better and better, and do something extra that you don't normally do. That's all it takes, a little bit extra every day. Actually, this 5-minute break might give me another 10 minutes of piling, so I'm going to get on with that, and yeah, this didn't take very long, 20 freaking minutes to do that. So imagine what you can accomplish with 20 minutes. Here in my woodshed, did you know I live above a garage? That's so fun. Freaking iconic. Look at that pile, it's come right down. A few more minutes to go. Clear up the walkway to get out. Go have a coffee. I started having a cigarette yesterday, which was actually awesome because it's put my mind at ease, but I've cut back. So now I know they're there. And it's not eating away at me like, I want a cigarette. Now I know the cigarettes are there, and I can have one whenever I want, and just choose not to. Just like not spending the $100. But I spent that $100, but I got another $100. So long as you can replace what you're going to spend and add more to it, it's all good. Another shirt that I got from Madeline that I forgot about, and I love it so much, and it says, life is better when you're laughing. Now, isn't that true? Look at life is better when you're laughing. And you know, laughing and smiling is so important.
The more you learn, the more you earn.
And I have to thank Shona for saying, get out and get some air, because you know it did me some good. And when you get out pumping your heart and your lungs, and you're getting air in your body and kind of wearing down your energy, this is the best time to get into a lucid state, because now you are quickly able to get into meditation. Sitting there sometimes, I don't know, I've never found that to work for me, but if I dance or I run around and work really hard and then sit down and then allow myself to go into meditation, I freaking can go there so quickly, and just go out and get your cardio going. Woo, it feels good. Look, I have dew on my face. See Shona? Look at that. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. Here in my woodshed, I got myself a new power wood.
You're my garage. Just bought this new Lamborghini, but you know what I like a lot more than me. But you know what I like a lot more than me.
Okay, so I'm back after my 2-hour break, and I did all of this. You can see it's nice and clear. I got 2 pieces left to do. Look how easy this is. One. Wherever I want to throw it, you find a spot, it tells you where to put the wood. So little increments every day is all it takes. Just pace yourself. That's all you have to do. Little increments, little steps. The wood pile has taught me so much, and it's the best meditation that I have ever had. And look, you don't even need the right tools. My gloves don't even match. Use what you got, what's kicking around. Just have a blast. Every time you're doing something, you're making content and having fun in your work play. And I just want to be an inspiration. And of course, this shit has to get done. So you just keep working away, doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's like cleaning the house. Throw your laundry in, go wash the dishes. The laundry's ready to throw in the dryer. Then you go and tidy up the beds. Then you come back and fold the laundry and put it away. You start getting a routine and a pattern, and then you start becoming very... Keep piling. A little bit every day. Yeah, that's the way. All those golden nuggets can be applied in every way.
But you know what I like a lot?
Efficient. You start making your time work for you. When it's challenging at first. That's why it takes a year or so to get. It takes a few months to get a rhythm. Once you get that rhythm going, then you start flying. Yeah, it's trying to figure it all out.
My garage.
Yeah, my garage.
Just bought this new Lamborghini. But you know what I like a lot more than But you know what I like a lot more than
Here's my woodshed. Just bought this new pile of wood. You know what I like more than wood? Golden nuggets. Pile it up. Get ready for winter. Pile it up. It's just as good as mine. Keeps you warm and cozy.
But you know what I like a lot?
And then you can do shit. I so love this song.